Welcome to BSc third sem students. So in physics unit 4 waves and sound. So in wave sound we are going to study the intensity level, musical note and the musical scale. So finally we are going to understand what is the concept of the intensity level and the characteristics of a musical note and the concept of the musical scale. Let us see the intensity level. It is defined as the logarithm of the ratio of the intensity I of the sound to the arbitrary chosen intensity I naught is known as intensity level. This I naught is a standard one and this value is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. So intensity level, because the intensity is a very large value, so we are going to take with a logarithmic value. So therefore the logarithm of the ratio of intensity I of a sound to an arbitrary chosen intensity I naught is known as intensity level. So commonly we are using the intensity level is the unit that is a decibel. So intensity level in bell is Li is equal to, see here, this log of I divided by I naught. And the intensity level in decibel is Li is equal to 10 dB log of I divided by I naught. The intensity level of the least studyable sound. Let us find. So what is the least studyable sound and what is the tolerable sound? So intensity level for the least studyable sound is 10 log of 10 raised to minus 12 is the least one. So if you take I is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 and that is equal to I naught, then it becomes a 10 log of I, because it will becomes a log of 1 and that is equal to 0 dB. So the intensity of a least audible sound is 0 dB. Let us see the intensity level of the most tolerable sound. So here the most tolerable sound, if you take it is a 1, then the log that is level 10 dB into log of 1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12 is equal to, so you take a 10 raised to minus 12 so in the numerator, so then it becomes a 10 into 12, so it is a 120 dB. Thus the range of the intensity level of the audible sound at the frequency of 1000 hertz is 0 dB to 120 dB. So the level of intensity from it is 0 dB to 120 dB at the frequency 1000 hertz. Let us see the loudness. So as the loudness, it is depending upon the sensation of the ear, and the unit of loudness is measured in the zone. So it is defined as the loudness experienced by the listener with a normal hearing when a sound of intensity level is 40 dB at the 1000 hertz is incident on his ear. That is, the zone is defined as the loudness experienced by the listener with a normal hearing when the sound intensity is 40 dB. So it is 40 dB at 1000 hertz. So on his ear. So that is called the zone. The intensity level of the different sound is the source as threshold of hearing. It is threshold of hearing, and this one is the it is in terms of decibel, and here it is a loudness. As the threshold of hearing it is 0 dB and it is faint. Then threshold of leaves, it is 10 dB and it is also faint. Then whisper, so it is 15 dB, it is faint. Then ordinary conversation, so here it is 40 to 50 and it is a moderate. Then heavy traffic, it is 90 and here it is very loud. Then a roar of lion, so the decibel is 100 decibel, and it is very loud. So then the thunder, then it is at 100 to 110, so it is a painful sound. Then it is painful sounds are 110 and above are all painful. So then aircraft, it is in value of 100 to 200. So these are the different energy level of the sound. Let us study the musical sound or note. See here the musical sound. So we are going to distinguish the sound in depending upon the quality. So here it is dividing into a musical sound and the noise. So when the sound is said to be the musical sound, a sound that is pleasant effect on the ear is known as the music or a musical sound, and is produced a regular and periodic vibrations. Whereas a noise is a sound which unpleasant to hear, that is, it produces a harsh or a jarring effect on the ear, are termed as a noise. So in this way we are going to distinguish with the musical sound. Let us see the characteristics of musical note. A musical sound having the following characteristics. So here pitch and a frequency, intensity and a loudness, then quality or a timbre. Let us see the pitch and a frequency. Pitch is the sensation of shrillness produced by a note, and this sensation depends upon the frequency of incident sound wave. For example, the mosquito sound is very high pitch, and the sound of lion is a low pitch. The pitch depends on a frequency of the vibrating particles. Higher the pitch, higher will be the frequency. So the as the frequency is a physical quantity and it is defined as a number of waves produced per second. But physically this frequency can be measurable, whereas pitch is not measurable. So as a pitch is the sensation of a shrillness experienced by the observer. So it is a physiological quantity. Now let us see the second character, that is the intensity and loudness. So that we have already studied in the last session. So as the intensity of the sound at a point in the medium, it defines as the average rate of flow of acoustic energy through the unit area, and the area being situated normally to the direction of the propagation. The intensity is measured in the watt per meter square. So here I is equal to 2 pi square a square f square rho into v, where a is the amplitude of the wave, and f is the frequency of the sound wave, and rho is the density of the wave, and v is the velocity of a sound in that medium. Then the loudness of the sound is defined as the degree of sensation produced on the ear, and it depending upon the sensitivity of the ear and the intensity. Thus the sound note of some frequency and the some intensity may be heard differently by two persons, and depending upon the sensitivity of their ears. According to Weber and Fetcher law, in the physiology, the loudness is produced by is proportional to the logarithm of the intensity. So therefore the log proportional to log I, and that is equal to k into log I, where k is constant and this loudness is measured in the unit of zone. Let us see the third character of the musical sound, the quality or a timbre. The quality of the sound is that characteristic which enable us to distinguish between the musical notes emitted by the different musical notes by different the musical instruments or a voices, even though they are having a same pitch or a loudness. So if the loudness and the pitch both are same, then even though they are same, there will be a difference in the sound. So that is known as a quality of the sound. When the note of the frequency F is sounded, then in addition to the frequency N, the other tones of the frequency 2N, 3N, 4N, etc. are also produced. And this is because the sounding bodies vibrate in a very complex manner. The note of the lowest notes are called overtones. So the quality, it depends upon the presence of overtones, the number of overtones, and the relative intensity of overtones. So therefore, the greater the number of harmonics in the given sound, the sweeter will be the sound. So that is why flute is a sweeter than the produced by the whistle, because it consisting of a more number of overtones. Let us see musical scale. So how the scale is produced. Musicians generally talk the pitch in terms of series of letters, a series of notes separated by a definite and a simple intervals, which produce the musical effect when played in a succession, are said to be the constitute the musical scale. So that musical scale in Indian terms as a sare gama pa the nisa, in the 8 terms it is defined with this musical scale. This scale is called the major diatonic scale, and it consists of 8 notes. The note from which the scale start is called a tonic or a keynote, and the ratio of the frequencies of the two notes having a frequency say 256 and 192, the ratio it becomes a 4 by 3. So if the frequency is 512 and 256, and the ratio is 2 by 1, and so on. So likewise we are going to take the ratio of this one, are called as the diatonic. So that is a major role in the diatonic scale. So here this is the scale, this is the musical scale. So here there are the 8 notes, 8 sounds from sa to again the sa, that is sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. So here it is distinguished with the letters, that is the symbols C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. But in Western name, so it is identified with the do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, do. That is do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, do. And they are having the frequencies 256, 288, 320, 314.3, 384, 426.7, 480, 512. And here we are going to take the ratio of the frequencies, that is 288 minus 256 is a 9 by 8. And then 320 divided by 288 is 10 by 9. 314.320 is 16 by 15. And 384 by 314.3 again it is a 9.8. Then 426.7 divided by 384 is 10 by 9. And then 480 divided by 426 is 9 by 8. So 512 divided by 480 is 16 by 15. See here, there are 3 9 by 8 tones. There are 3 9 by 8 intervals, and there are 2 10 by 9, and there are 2 16 by 15. So these 9 by 8 are called as a major tones, and 10 by 9 to 10 by 9 are called as a minor tones, and another two, that is a 16 by 15 and a 16 by 15 here, so those are called as a semitones. So here this is a 9 by 8 major tone, minor tones and semitones. And the interval 2 by 1, so if it is a 2 by 1 between the 8 and the fundamental, that is 256, that is 8 it is a 512, and here it is a 256. So if you take the ratio of these two, and that is becomes a 2 by 1, and this is called an octave. So this is nothing but the musical scale. So we have studied the intensity, the loudness, the musical sound, and the musical scale. Okay, so these are the few references that you can refer. Thank you.